guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we are going to be cleaning up this property. If you haven't checked out the other video, we did an estimate on this property. So I'm going to go over everything that's here and we're going to get to it. So first off, there's these toilets, these tires, that little pile of stuff over there, this pile of stuff over here. There's some baby kittens up there. So not sure where they're living at, but we got all this trash right here. And then just this whole pile of stuff here. Just the stuff on top here. And then back here we got all this stuff in here. Over here we got some trash here. And then we got everything inside of here's got to go too. So that's what today's video is about. My helper actually didn't wake up today, so I'll be doing this by myself, so I'm gonna get to it. Hey guys, so it's about 8:30. I've been here maybe 40 minutes and I was working on this pile over here. I got all that stuff over there cleared up. I'll show you the trailer real quick. I got the trailer about halfway full, as you can see there. So what I'm gonna do now is get that little chair over there, maybe some of these bigger items, maybe this toilet and this top of this and all these tires. I'm gonna put all the tires on the end and I'm gonna grab the big items from in here. So this couch, this chair, that desk, maybe that. And I'm just gonna go dump real quick because my worker, we were supposed to start at 7. He just texted me, it's 8:30. He said he overslept. So I'm gonna try to just go pick him up to have him help me finish this job up. So I'm about to just throw all this stuff on, and then when we come back, he should be here with me and we're gonna just get back at it. All right, they're actually pulling this semi out of here too. But I just got back and those little kittens were under here. I got some food. We're gonna see if they come out and eat on that. Okay guys, they got stuck and they were not able to get this out, so that actually makes it harder because now I can't back that up even more. So we're gonna work on this pile. I got Brandon here now. He's about to help me get the rest of this stuff. We got that little pile over there. We got this pile back here and we have some stuff in here. So we're gonna try to bust this out and enjoy the video.
All right, I just wanted to show you guys what we are working with here. I don't know what this is. It's some kind of vinyl. Like, it almost looks like that trim that they put around floors sometimes for carpets or like in churches and stuff. That's the only place I really recognize it. But there was a ton of it. You can tell it's been here forever. It's just disintegrating, but it's heavy. I mean, it's probably 50 pounds each little stack we grab, like a stack like this. So I can't even get my fingers under. It's like very, very heavy. And we're kind of being cautious because we don't know if there's any snakes or anything out here. I don't know what's back here either. All right, not that much because I wasn't prepared for anything else back there. But yeah, so just wanted to give you a little update on what this stuff was. See how it looks like that trim that's along the floor. So we're gonna get back to it.
All right, guys, we just finished that job. We are fully loaded. I'll show you the trailer, and we're gonna head to the dump. So we got all this cleaned up. We got all that cleaned up over there. This pile, we took everything off top, and all along here, you remember those tires were there. We got this whole section back here all cleaned up. We got inside here, that's where the couch and some other stuff was, but that's all cleaned up. And this area was a real pain, but we got all that cleaned up. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. They're here to pick up that trailer right now, so we got to get out of here, but have a good one.